Python pass statement. So in this video we are going to discuss how to use pass statement in our Python coding. In Python programming, pass is a null statement. That means it has got no effect in execution. The difference between the comment and the pass statement in Python is that while the interpreter ignores the comment entirely, but the pass is not getting ignored. So as the pass is having no effect in the execution output, so we might be having a one question is rising in our mind, then what is the difference between the comment and the pass statement? In case of comment, the compiler or the interpreter rather, here it will just ignore that block. In case of compiler also, in case of interpreter also, the comment block will be ignored. In Python also, the comment block will be ignored. But in case of pass, the control will come to the pass and the pass statement will be executed. But it is a null statement having got no effect in the output. However, nothing happens when the pass statement is executed. It results into no operation, that is NOP, that is a no operation. So here you see how to write the pass statement. The pass statement should be written all PASS in the lowercase letters. So nothing is in capital letters. So we generally use it as a placeholder. So in our NOP, it is just like your NOP, that is a no operation type of instructions there. So to have the better understanding, let us go for one practical demonstration. We shall be showing you that in the Python code how this pass statement can be used. So here is the demonstration for you. Pass is actually a statement which is being used in our code for placeholder. That means in future, if I want to add some more functionality at that very region, at that very section, there you can use this pass statement. So sequence, we are having one sequence here. So here we are having P, A, S and S. So there is a pass, and for val in the sequence, where just in this particular for construct, we are having only one statement, that is a pass. And pass is not having any, will not produce any required output on the screen. So as a result of that, if I go on executing this code, only this end of the program, this statement is getting printed after completion of this for construct. So here you can find that pass has got no any effect, will not produce any effect in the outcome. So this statement is only to be used as a placeholder, so that in future, if I want to add some more functionality in this for construct, I can replace pass, I can put those required statements there. So that is the use of pass in our Python coding. Thanks for watching this video.